Y'all come on in. Y'all want to see how I got this look? Better keep on watching. Ain't nothing here but positive vibes, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First up is my NYX eyeshadow base, so be just applying that all over my lids. My Pink Paradise palette, my all-time favorite. I will be going in with my transition shade. Yo, I was looking like that because my ring light was acting foolish. I'm using this light color, not sure how to describe it, but yep, that's gonna go on as my transition shade, y'all. I'll be using this light peach color to use that to blend in with my transition shade. So this hot pink shade will be built not right in your corners, but it will be above it. You can take it into the creases just a little bit, but you mainly want to build that color in the upper outer corners. And blend it out with your blending brush. Now this dark purple, I will be using that to build in my corners. You can work it diagonally on your outer lid, but just don't go too far towards the middle. You just want to focus on the outskirts of your eyes, if that makes any sense. Just a little side note, I will be doing a detailed video on how I apply my eyeliners, eye glitters, my lashes. So yeah, the reason why I skip through it in my videos is for time purposes. So, but yeah, I just want to let y'all know that little piece. My all-time favorite, the Too Faced Peach palette. I'm going in with the shade Just Peachy. I'm applying that on my lids and then going to be blending everything out. The poreFessional primer will be going all over my face. And I'll be using Fenty Beauty's foundation. Now, this foundation has been sitting for a little while, so there's hardly anything in the bottle. I think that's why it was so orangey looking when I was applying it on my face. But don't worry, y'all. I'll be definitely fixing that later on in the video. Going in with the Soul Body Balm in the shade Deep. I'm going to be applying just a little bit on top of the foundation. I got my NYX Bear With Me concealer. I'm going to apply that on my chin, under my nose, under my eyes, and my 5 head, y'all. And I'm going to be blending it all out. The Dose of Color concealer from my contour on the side of my cheekbones, my jawlines, and around my head. And I'm going to be blending that out as well. Beauty Bakery setting powder, I freaking love this stuff, will be applied where I had applied my NYX concealers. And then my Fenty Beauty bronzer powder will be applied in the areas where I had applied the Dose of Colors concealer for my contour. Just a little extra step, wanted to just sharpen up the bronzers on the sides of my face. Now I'll be sculpting my nose with all the same concealers I used for my face. The lighter one will go down the middle and on the sides of my nose, and the darker one will go in between them. And then blend, blend, blend. Going back with the powders to set everything. And blend everything out. This is the Milani blush in red Vino. I used a little brush applicator that came with it to apply a little bit on my cheeks, and then I'm going to blend it all out with my beauty blender. Going back in my palette to apply that dark purple we use in our corners, and that's going to go on our lower lash lines. And then I'm going to take a shimmery champagne looking shade and apply that to the tear duct area. Some mascara for the bottom lashes, and then I'll be lining my lips up with ColourPop lip pencil in this pretty brown shade. And then I'm going in with a dark purple. It's a lipstick that I had just got from a beauty supply store years ago, so it's no particular name brand lipstick, but I thought it would be really pretty and blend well with that brown. Ciat'e setting spray. Alright y'all, I have here the finished look. This is it. I sure hope y'all had enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed doing it. So yeah. I will have the products listed I used in this video in the description down below. And until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.